Find the radius of a sphere whose surface area is 154 centimeter square. We know the surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square. Now they said the surface area is 154. So as per the question or according to question, I can write 4 pi r square, which is your surface area, and the given value is 154. Now if you solve this, you will get the value of r as I show you here. Look, 4 pi r square equal to 154. Finding the value of r here, solving it out, the final solution look like this: r equal to square root of 12.25, which is 3.5. Now this step I can simplify it for you. Here you see square root of 12.25, so you can write 1225 divided by 100. As you know, square root of 100 is 10 and square root of 1225 is 35. Now since you have a 0 here, bringing decimal one digit before, that is 3.5 centimeter. So this is the radius of the sphere whose surface area is 104 centimeter square.